Whooping cough epidemic is sweeping the Sunshine Coast, where vaccination rates are some of the lowest in the country. In just 4 years, the number of confirmed cases has risen from 43 to 426.
It's a sound no parent wants to hear. While whooping cough is preventable, it can also be fatal in young children. Anne-Marie Winkley is a new mum to baby Ava. Like many parents, she's worried about an outbreak of the disease on the Sunshine Coast, where infections have almost doubled in the past year.
Because she can't get vaccinated just yet, so yeah, it's important that we all don't get it.
Between January and May, there were 426 confirmed cases on the coast. 4 years ago, there was just 43.
I ended up having to have a bit over a week off, and my symptoms were really bad. I was feverish and obviously coughing and had to stay away from everyone.
Angie Shanahan is amongst 3,300 people in Queensland who've fallen ill with the disease so far this year. She was immunised as a baby but didn't realise the vaccine only lasts for around 10 years. Doctors say one of the main reasons for the outbreak is a declining rate in immunisations in some communities.
Some of the areas on the Sunshine Coast are 6 and 8%. In some pockets, maybe even 10% lower than the national average.
Some fear the vaccine could be more harmful than contracting the disease.
The side effects are very, very low from the vaccines.
Queensland Health is offering a free booster to those in close contact with babies. Tegan George, 10 News.